What's up, everybody? I'm feeling so good right now. Oh man, business is good, life is good. Let me lower this music real quick, but I'm jamming though. Hey. Hey. Yo. I hope you guys are having a blessed Friday today. A lot of people got paid in the company yesterday, okay, and we stacking up. We just stacking up, guys. All right. I just want to show you that we making real money. All right, deposit it into our bank accounts every single week, guys. This opportunity that we're in right now is changing people's lives. For real. Like, I spoke about other companies before, but I've never seen something that has such a like an effect so fast. You know what I mean? It's like, usually we have to wait to get paid. You have to do all of this other stuff. But with this company here, you bring in people, you refer people to this opportunity so that they could improve their credit, so that they could get discounts on traveling, so that they could get discounts on shopping. So they're making whatever they paid to get in, okay, which is only $35 to start, okay? Well, it's $35 monthly, but it's the best $35 that I pay each month to a company, because I just almost hit 50,000 with just in 2 weeks. 2 months, not 2 weeks, 2 months. Okay, guys, this company is legit. And I need you guys to check it out and become a part of it, because let me tell you, you're missing out. You're missing out. If you think it's a scam, it's not a scam. Okay? If you're looking to improve your credit, if you're looking for discounts on traveling, if you travel a lot, you want to save money on those hotel stays. If you want to learn how to manage your money, guys. Or else it's just going to be gone. It's going to be gone with the wind. If you don't know where you're putting your money at, what you're spending is just going to go like that. Your paychecks are going to go like this. Oh, and if you have a job, this company will show you how to start getting $200 to $500, okay, extra in your paychecks by just adjusting your W-4. They show you exactly what to do. Okay, so this is not only for people who want to look to make money at home. This is for everybody that has a job, people that don't have a job. I never knocked the 9 to 5 because, we have to do what we have to do. But that doesn't determine where you're going to be in the future. If you have a 9 to 5, take $35 out of your paycheck and come and join us. Join me and my team. We are making big moves. You're not going to feel alone. You're not going to feel lost. We have so much training going on. Okay? So when you do join me, I'll give you access to our group where every week we're doing live calls. Okay? And our calls are off the hook. People are tuning in. Every Zoom call, every Hangout has over close to 200 people watching. And this is a new group. We have close to 4,000 people in the group already within just 2 months. Okay, guys? This is life-changing. So, if you had doubts, don't have any more doubts, just take a chance and you won't regret it. You won't regret it, guys. I promise. And I just was showing some cash to show you guys that this is real. This ain't fake money. This is real money. Getting paid every week. You want to help your family. You know, you want to help your friends. You want to help yourself first. Then you help others. Okay? And we're going to teach you how to do that. Okay? So if you're interested, share this video, like this video, comment below. Let me see what you're going to comment below. More info. I'm interested. I'm ready. All right? Feel free to inbox me. I love to work with you guys. Okay? I know no other company is doing what we're doing. No other team. I feel bad if you're on another team, because you're missing out on what we provide. Just being around the type of leaders, okay? And learning from them. Okay? 7-figure earners. You know, I've been doing this for a while, but there's always something I could learn. There's always something new. Everything's always changing. So we like to keep you guys up to date in the group. So I look forward to working with whoever is serious. I don't want to work with nobody that's not serious. So don't waste my time, please. Don't come in my inbox talking about, is this a scam? It's not a scam. Okay, I have a link. I'm going to send it to you when you do comment below. All right? And let's get this money. Let's get this money, guys. Friends and family are welcome. If you want to fix your credit, if you want to make money like me online, get with me today, guys. Don't hesitate. You're just missing out. And, you know, I'm going to make money regardless. But I want to take you guys with me. So, stop overthinking things. Don't make things complicated. Okay? And let's work together. All right, peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. Share, like this video, comment below. If you're on my team, show me some support. Love you guys. Peace out.